Good morning, Rax. Today is Thursday, April 2nd, which makes today National Peanut Butter and Jelly Day. Three big things going on. We're going to remind you of some of the deals that we had yesterday. School is going to be in session next week, sort of. You got an email from Manchester about that. Check it out, about what it's going to look like. A lot of review stuff just to kind of keep you up to date. The market period's also going to end next Friday, which means time to get some work in if you have not been doing so either online or before that. And Friday hours are going to be a little bit more limited. You'll notice that tomorrow if you haven't noticed it already. Just keep that in mind. Birthday today, Abdi Aden.
Congratulations.
That's about all we got for today. We'll keep it short, simple, and to the point. Make sure you're in contact with your teachers about any work that needs to be done and kind of go back through and make sure that you're all up to speed. Have a great day, Rex.